Hello, welcome to Prime Growth Investment. This is your boy Ali, and I'm back again with another penny stock that can actually give you a high upside potential. But before we start, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you can receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. Now, let's get back to it. Today's stock is Castor Maritime. Ticker symbol is CTRM. And they recently just announced big news, and it is to increase their fleet. But before I start talking about their news, let's talk about their company. What is this company is all about? This is their website. I always recommend visiting the website of whatever company you're invested to. And this is their website, and let's talk about the company itself. So right here they have they're saying that we are committed to promoting honest and ethical business conduct throughout our operation. Now, this company is actually a shipping company. So they're saying we are a growth-oriented global shipping company engaged in the seaborne transportation of a world range of dry bulk commodities along worldwide shipping, and it's throughout the ownership of dry bulk vessels. So they actually have a they pretty much consist of dry bulk vessels. They are a fleet, and they are shipping worldwide to other customers they own. And this is really important. This is basically their history. So they took ownership of its first vessel, which is Magic P, in September 2017. So in 2017, they took their first vessel, and ever since they entered the over-the-counter with a ticker Castor, but that was in 2018 of December, a year later after getting their first vessel. And in 2019 February, they entered the NASDAQ the capital market under the ticker symbol, which we know as of right now, and it is CTRM. So a year later, after being in an over-counter, actually less than a year, just a few months later, they ended up being in a NASDAQ, and they continue to purchase and take delivery of new vessels. And if we look, they just continue growing year after year after year, which is really good, because it seems like they're focusing on growth, and this is what I want. This is the type of company that I want to invest in. Knowing that they continue to grow throughout the years is what I want to hear. Now, if you look at their fleet, they have the bulk carriers. Each one of them have their own name, what year was built, and the flag. Obviously, it's going to be a Marshall Islands. And as of right now, you can see they have 6. But they announced they are going to purchase another 6, which will double their fleet size. And this is just the beginning of 2021, and they are already doubling their fleet. Like I said, I want to invest in a company that continues to grow, and this company continues to grow year after year. This is why I put a position in this company, and I am willing to risk it, because I know that from the history of this company that this company continues to grow. Now let's get back to the article. The article says that the dry bulk company Castor Maritime has struck a deal to buy a 2010 Korean-built Camstar Max dry bulk carrier from unaffiliated third party for $14.8 million. It did not reveal the identity of the seller, but they are planning to receive those vessels by the end of the first quarter in 2021. So it's very soon. And soon they will be updating their fleet size on their website. And their CEO says, "We are very happy to announce the acquisition of our third Castor amassed a dry bulk vessel and remain committed to our plan of steadily deploying capital and growing our fleet. This is what their CEO is saying. They're saying they want to continue growing. And like I said, this is why I invested in a company like this one. And they also said, upon completion of recently announced acquisition, our fleet will consist of 12 vessels, doubling in size since the beginning of 2021. So this is a good year for this company. Now, let's not forget, and this is really important, I highlighted it in blue. I hope you guys can actually read it. And if you can't read it, be sure to look up this article. Castor Maritime buys Kamsarmax dry bulk carrier for 14.8, and it's on a Marine link. So while Castor Maritime is actually growing its fleet, another dry bulk shipping company called NET, and they actually were known as Scorpio Bulkers, they've been selling their fleet. They've been selling their vessels. So Castor Maritime has been purchasing in the past years. The other company has been selling, and they were actually shifting their business to another sector. So this is, keep in mind, I honestly, I feel like they're, like I said, the other company is trying to shift their business, which is okay. You see it in many companies, like for example Lucid Motors, which actually is trying to go public. They were actually a battery company, but now it is a electric vehicles company. So many businesses out there, they shift their sectors, and that does not worry me, because Castor Maritime is planning to grow in this business, while other companies, they don't feel interested. So this statement right here does not worry me at all, because I invested in a company and I looked at their history, and their history seems very good. They continue to grow, and their CEO, if we go back right here and we scroll down, we can see their history. Each year they continue to grow. Each year they show potential more and more. And if you look at their CEO, they keep saying, we're happy to announce that we're continuing to grow, and we plan to grow even more in the future. And this is really, really good. So what are we going to do? I believe this company will go big. This is why I opened a position in this company. In the next year, this is a long time hold. I don't believe this is going to grow within a second, but definitely open a position, especially when it's a penny stock. If you can, buy 100 share of this stock and leave it and see what is going. Just keep it under the radar, and then as the news come out, buy more if you can, and continue doing that, because I know this company will graduate from being a penny stock, and it does have the high potential, high upside potential. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this video, and if you have anything to say, be sure to comment. I am reading comments, and if you did like this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.